Hey guys, so I'm filming this video the same day I filmed my Miata walk-around / introductory video, and my original plan was to film a POV drive right after filming that video, but my GoPro was pretty hot at the end of the recording and I didn't want to risk filming the POV and having the GoPro overheat and or stop recording and or shut off while filming that. So I decided I would save it for another day, but I happen to be going to a little meet that my friends are having tonight, and I figured I'd share some of that with you all. So yeah, here's a little relaxing POV drive of me heading to that, and maybe I'll film a little bit once I get there. But it's pretty hot in here. I'm just sitting in here with the top up and the windows up and everything. I'm gonna start the car up so you guys can hear that. I usually, or at least as of lately, I've been wearing earplugs when driving this car because of the loud ISR circuit spec catback I talked a little bit about in the walk around, but for the sake of the video and just being able to hear myself and stuff, though I probably won't talk much because of how loud it's going to be, I decided I wouldn't wear them. And also I'm going to be driving with the top down because the temperature is pretty decent right now. It's probably like 80. It's not too hot, and obviously the sun's gone. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little POV. I'm not really sure how the rest of this video is going to turn out from here on out, or just from here. Let's start her up. Decent startup. You may hear a little bit of the clutch pedal engagement. That's because there was this little rubber stopper that was behind the clutch pedal and it fell out maybe like a month or two ago. So it's a little bit noisy, but the clutch engages and disengages just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. But let's get this top down and get our headlights up, and we will be headed to meet the boys. It's actually pretty much the same area I filmed that walk around video at. And it looks like my high beams are on. That's weird. Well, anyways, let's go. There's one big thing I forgot to mention in that introductory video, and it's that I just recently got some Mazda Speed motor mounts installed. Which doesn't provide for a crazy difference in the way the car drives, and you guys probably wouldn't be able to notice on video what motor mounts I'm running, but that might have been the one thing that I forgot to mention that I was talking about in that video. It may not have been, but I'll probably include in the form of text anyway that is what I forgot to say in that video. You may be able to tell in this video that the roads are not very ideal around here. And I'm sure these aren't even the worst roads in the entire city of Philadelphia, but that definitely gets emphasized by the fact that I'm driving a loud Miata on coilovers. Hopefully the angle is good, by the way. I had a pretty good angle set up, but I had to take my GoPro off of my head real quick to turn off a setting before starting the actual video. So hopefully I got it back to where it should be, to where, again, I have a good angle. But I'm just gonna focus on the drive, and I'm gonna let you guys focus on that too, because you probably can't hear me that well. You might be able to notice there's a high level of NVH with this car. We do have a highway pool right here. Yo, I just accidentally turned my high beams on again. Yeah. Yeah, we outside. We outside, we active.
Yeah.
Holy shit, is this a EF?
Yes, it is.
Oh, what's good, dude?
What the
Nice, nice. Yeah, dude, it's the revival of Blake G Films. Except I'm changing my name to Blake G Drives. Because it's a POV vibe with Blake G Drives. I could cut all this out if you want.
Nah, keep it.
Yeah, I know, this is golden.
Every time he shifts, he just wants to drop.
No, I'm way past that. Oh. He's got the system too. I think I'm gonna take this off. You get a shot of the tag. Oh fuck. Yeah. Tag's out.
The guy said hold the cruise control.
This fucking song. You bombed us?
He bombed? What are you talking about?
Sean's bombed?
Yeah.
Blake G Films?
Yeah, dude.
Holy shit, man.
Yeah.
Joe Mapp heard balling from a mile away. Hold on. Now I'll take pictures actually.
Now that the tag is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you got a thumb.
Yeah, I took some of this. I was tripping.
Got the same engine, bro. Yeah.
1.5, right?
It's like 1 year newer only though.
A JDM
oh my
legend.
gosh.
That's a JDM legend right
JDM
there.
right here.
Oh, really?
Well, that's crazy. That's crazy. It goes plastic piping into the turbo.
Most JDM thing I've seen this evening.
Where's the turn ski at, bro?
Right there.
Really?
It's hard to tell with
Dude.
Lift the bonnet, mate.
Yeah, we don't fuck around here, dude.
this thing feeling a little sad because it's mad blue.
Yeah,
Yup,
dude.
yup.
Yeah, bone stock, that vodka bottle in there. You know what it is.
It's that DIY life.
We got that McDonald's chicken nugget juice.
Where?
We around BK. Burger
Racing performance.
Burger King.
I just realized this. Oh, you can remove it. Like, that's cool. You can get it out of the way. Oh, it just chills like that? I guess that's cool, I guess.
I'll open it when we drive. You'll hear it.
Where's the seatbelt?
Don't put it on.
What's that?
You don't need it.
What?
Actually, I have.
So this is a supercharged. Okay.
Whoa.
Holy shit. You gotta hit it.
I'll hit it when we get on the straight. I can't do it on a turn, man.
Yeah, nah, not like this. Pro-charged 1990 Stang. I was trying to say it right before you took off, and then it got so loud so quickly. I guess these are kind of twisty, yeah.
I can't pull.
Hell
Pull
no.
back here and you will die, I swear to God.
Yeah, and I don't have a seatbelt on. You don't really hear the supercharger.
Yeah.
It's kind of chilling. That's cool though. It's not like annoying, you know?
Yeah. Sometimes you hear it really suck in like at high revs, but you don't hear it much.
Do you mind if I show my channel your race car?
Yeah, go ahead.
With the Lil Wayne in the background?
Don't forget to show them the spoiler. Show them the S and the license plate.
This is gonna be the best YouTube video ever. Okay. Does this one have a seatbelt?
Yeah, oh, what? His did?
It sounds like a rotary. It sounds like a RX-7. What, you about to launch it?
Didn't hit boost cut that
There's a
time.
Maybach right there.
Really?
I don't know. Those pops. It's not like annoyingly loud, like in the low revs. It's like
No.
super smooth sounding. It's good.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's still hitting boost cut. I don't want to beat on it with it down like that, but I'll do one more round.
Should I stand outside, get it from my outside view, or
I hope
I can
one
do it
of
from
them
inside
got
the
it.
car again. I'm done. I'm done for tonight. This dude's an absolute madman.
I'm a dumbass.
Luckily my dad, he, kind of fixed the fender a little bit. So that's why they're doing it here.
You're chilling.
Yeah, it's chilling basically.
Yeah, you're good.
Up, bro.
I thought it was gonna be like all
Yeah.
f***ed up.
No, that's okay.
How many miles have you driven on that?
This? It
Yeah.
just happened yesterday, so maybe like no more than like 15.
What happened to it yesterday?
That's what I'm saying. Some idiot with a Porsche. He literally, okay, we were going
Of
straight.
course it was a Porsche.
Yeah, it was a one-lane road.
my
You could
gosh.
tell he was like a drunk guy or like he was a
That's
rich
hard.
guy.
I don't know if my camera's
He
getting
pulled
that.
over-
We're in the new Integra now. I'm gonna sit in the middle for the sake of the video. I'm getting so many cars tonight. This is crazy. This video is gonna be so long.
I can't
Oh
believe
my
it's
gosh.
It's not that slow. So especially the right lane. Right now you're good. There's no potholes here. You're set. Damn, the turbo.
Ooh! Oh my gosh, dude, this thing handles like a supercar. What the fuck?
Oh, kind of crazy.
Mesh shifted. Holy shit.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
It's all good. Dude, you hit that corner like crazy,
You did with
bro.
this car. I have to admit, this might do better than my car. And I thought my car cornered well.
I'm not satisfied with the power straight line speed, but cornering makes up for it.
But dude, its power's not bad.
No, it's torquey. It's just not very fast.
Like
And the
top
gearing is
speed.
pretty short.
Oh my god.
Is there a stop sign?
Yeah.
That dude's like, what the hell is going on?
I want to push it harder, but I don't know the road that well.
I think
Yeah.
I think you pushed it to the limit right there.
Yeah, that was pretty crazy. I have to admit, the turbo sounds crazy. So you got rid of the
Woo.
rev hang?
Yeah, for the most part.
Are you using the assisted rev match feature, or
No, this
it's
is
all
you
you
right now.
Hell yeah.
I'll use it when I have the AC on, because you know when you have the AC on, your rev points changes.
Dude, look, you ain't even messing around. Alright, go.
If you have made it this far into the video, then I appreciate you for sticking around. After that clip you just saw, for the most part, I stopped filming for the rest of the night, started getting tired, and again, the footage did not turn out too ideally because I didn't really get to properly adjust my GoPro settings for the low light setting being, this evening. I'm recording this little voice memo over a week after the night of filming that. Today's Wednesday, and I filmed that last Tuesday night. I've been pretty busy lately, and I had to edit my Miata walk-around video first, of course, before getting into this video. My plan for future videos is to not make them as long as this one. I'm gonna shoot for 10-minute videos for the most part, maybe the occasional 15, 16-minute video or whatever, but this video definitely ended up being pretty long, and of course I didn't realize until getting into the editing of this video that the POV drive didn't even really last that long, and the car meet footage ended up taking a majority of the video up. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed. The little issue with the footage being super grainy / noisy should be fixed for future POV drives. It's not really a problem for recording in the daytime, but hopefully the next time I do some sort of night video or night POV drive, it should be fixed or at least be a little bit better. But again, thank you for sticking around to this point of the video. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, as well as subscribe if you aren't already, and leave a comment on this video. Again, thank you, and be sure to look out for more automotive / POV / GoPro content. Cheers.